The Chiefs ropes to Stellenbosch to go face Mamelodi Sundown. Ngongona. And the Orlando Pirates who have unfinished business with Romo Gallants. Ngongona. Yeah. I said it was an offside. No, it was not an offside. That is the foul is also literally the time when Ramsey fall on stage, ne, I don't know, it's like literally the Japanese go to more target. If you can check, there's been because the chiefs go to more than one morning a man. Go to more for win and yana ruby lulu raro yana so oh the pungaria na beast cookie. Oh the pungaria na beast cooking is cooking what now. Man United last night disappointed me. Man United disappointed me. As a Man United fan, I got disappointed by Man United. I thought Man United was gonna win. When Dimane, where I know Mongari done, Odia Ungwazi. And then I push you on guys. Yo, what's good? YouTube is your boy LBK Rosani Africa. You know, I always we're back. Yo, it's a crazy week. It's another week. It's a Monday. So I don't know if it's a Monday. We don't know. I don't know how to talk about topic because if today is a Monday, there's two cases there. There's a profile cases that not Vedas there because there's a result case today is quite court because of as you all know, the SABC boy is back to court today. It's 10th of March, so he's gonna be back to court today. There's that case here. SABC boy is kind of like different because of I don't know the one has been with because of I feel like we're still waiting for the postmortem of the body. Still, we don't know if they did it or they didn't do it the postmortem before she got buried or only before postmortem she but we don't know. But literally today SABC is going back to court. I don't know, maybe they will be still waiting for the postmortem to see or did she die with a or did she die with water? We don't know literally. And the problem with the SABC case is that we don't have any witness. So that is the problem, come on. And I don't know. No man. So let's have to check the one who the time is SABC, but I guess you are innocent until proven guilty. That's what we can say. Because of the case here, SABC is literally given as case name. Although just such thing or na ipen, when as case name at the school. Fikayo like literally baba chikumugweba like literally abaziwe ndikaona nauno this year ichingapedza mumwe watakisa SABC isati pera come due to the stature of it come section C I don't know mara that's the part or billion tamopiwa mara yona is a profile case mara we don't know what time the time nikayo or when will it end come on or doppelary we don't know but listen the queen because of you're not home the queen to takazanga youtube you're not determined then we doppelary I don't know and we also are the who the time nikayo one we don't know really but because of if he's found guilty that means they have to give him like 2 years the no part no part because of if I'm found guilty is I guess but don't pay me mama they won't give him like literally your chance but don't pay me you baba blind literally blind me you baba ngwendile come on bangathi mphe mama to kwenendo ekho baba ngandira to come on so the bonzo it is an kiss on each with us so I don't know but I literally the bond with the time nigga like his because of the Quran. And back again, today is Monday, and then the Gaga and Mexego, Bako called now. And the things on our with the time because of last time, Row one was sorry about us Nasilo Yara. So we don't know who the time Nigana one. I will know we just have to wait and see. Because the last time they were not having Zera. The time because of if personal lawyer they have to represent themselves. Come on. And then if they are representing themselves and then ona mungwa what do you una ke una if me una zire representatives because of una single nga state come on and ungari now they have break case la na sinda biro ene mnoto ya break case come on it's because of no rimini but muloyara imwe ya state is one zvaita kai that is why wait a minute opesera uchikuvhura ine case yapedza ichikuvhurwa vakuchajiwa come on so I don't know zviri kutoita mini kayo but we literally don't know even when it comes to Zonga Bailey, Banga Bailey have guy each woman. So the one date, I mean. But just that we cannot wish anyone to go to jail because of we can't wish anyone to go to jail, but sometimes you have to, you know, like there has to be turning point where you have to reflect into your actions. One, so those actions is one as most them turn as the consequences. And I feel like the consequences are when these days never done because the face and common. So remaining they are in jail. Was spent a week weekend youth jail. We all know jail is not good. So just have to still the I mean, but zvinozvibona uri mini kongwana ariteyi zorutoita mini just hopefully uri basi zvine vava zvone zvisava chenje muyani because of jail nayo ingachinja munhu kongwana vathu vanhu vanenge vakuya vazijera vasingoita chitu vari vachivouya then vauya vonovanga imwe ndiro kongwana so thats that rutoriboard zuri avo vaviri kutoita mini nanga mara hopefully ndivona ungari ndileseni ndivatove ikuti uri mini zvinhu zvinji zvinji harisi kuita chimwe nachimwe zivhidhiyo and then namuchiwa vhidhiyo ndiye novachinisiwa kakati ngave usingova navhidhiyo ilani ndizvo nachingava nezvazvinovawo nezvisingovahone like literally attention yava nayo isingova nayo attention kana vatove vavakwasuko mutikazi vachikusuko yo otusa rushakuita mini mini because asi ona mumudzana chikwamuzori mini yo yeah she did well rudhavo rusemiwa ugaula mudzana wakwamuzori rudhavo rusemiwa nevanono zviposta zvinova supposed to be freedom nikomwana asina ndava komwana voniva inside and by all the umbrella so just have to watch and see what they tell me mara just that ndikuirekoda zvino I guess 11 o'clock just that I don't know about which na koti ngachingani ngona but literally time koti do no to even now you see I guess koti to mongo 8 or 10 so I don't know the doors to ngachingani ngona so just have to watch and see what the time nikayo rubona kono maybe time ndo ana muchano because neza vaone kawo maybe ndo kono mwana oh since wait I saw the wait you guys so on Saturday there was an event again event. I guess it was a successful event. Yeah, which was a killer event. But you, bro, like it's like what that story is tell. Did you see Ramsey fall on stage while he was performing? Ramsey fall on stage while performing, but he has a good mindset, time man. The man on walk stage he didn't even pay attention Kauri. Yo bro, I fall on stage. Come on. So literally the time when Ramsey fall on stage I don't know so like literally achiwa pala stage Ramsey ne. Hamoto zvipenga man attention zvacho. Otori uwa busy then he stand up and then continue performing when really. Na watu vasingozvibona nezvazvo zvitu ne. Vasingoita mini. Vasingotozvi jump up like wewe vozvibona wewe. Totida chimwe chinge ichi vadhoni ndingasite chito avasinotanda kuchira vhidhiyo kawana so literally ndotaura naimoto iyoyo kudyiwa hediyo literally the time Ramsey achivaka stage afulani hauna mtu wako uchira vhidhiyo so I guess now ende munhu ozvitora ave fast even though achivaka stage afulani atavanya avoid kuti vathu vasakusenza vasimuzvibona ne problem ndiyori une mtu wako kudyiwa vhidhiyo ende ndina problem chimwe chacho there has to be someone more to end the video. Most of people which get I mean. So it's not like in this big time who know what the time or the real na food and the video. So nowadays it's one especially you on a video. So just that man prayer cool na see no remedy prayer cool na prayer cool. So this stage I will church go so that is why them oh woman that's why oh woman. So the was what they meaning. Agusbar ndimubona lo chen la performance uzoteaho nazvidziva zori una track night performer ro trash damu yo bro nomuna zori Gemini the love that the people give him to him ne Gemini the love that people give it to him ne like it's too much bro Gemini the love that he received from the people ne it's too much bro like if you have that kind of love from people like Gemini yeah you should know like yeah literally yeah come on it's not a humble he has to capitalize from it but I guess as advertisement will capitalize that demand mara literally demand like yeah literally demand una fan literally like he has all the love mkubwa like chimwana chinhu chine demand akuchira chapalima una demand like una love ine yabva kafeng, like literally Germany is who he thinks he is. Come on, ene munhu hono yana the humburi ndiye. Come on, like literally Dimani one love yote love ine muthu ane ava ku tinyaguru avenga ane anga at least ainyanga. Come on, so those and there's one my love cool Dimani. And I know muthu ane andikarepa kando one love yofana Germany. Come on, maybe the love that Germany received now. The love in him is I receive. Maybe back then, man. I know that right now. Is all. Ah, even though yes, me that receive a love from one, but we are now numb to miso. One don't do I say that that's yo mizoko yo one like yes, but I guess that's one thing is that I can pray. I think that moment 2021. Name is I can premier and tan man. One. I show that music for I think 2018, 2019. Somewhere in the National Church music. Then abuya then arachiuya fulani avanga too much there ananchiona zifana zichotumulilela mini no so zvinhu zvoita zvotonzi zviona uri utotiwa minamini but I guess nazvo zviidi mamwe mara Germany the love that is receiving is too much and unoenda kuti yaikodiwa pale hey munhu ela kuti kuidhiya mamwe ela kuti kuidhwa ela kuti kuidhiya invenava ela kuidhiya like literally I don't understand what wazvikoloni apalani taidzidza wedi mini zotori vatova kutiyana ichilandira because of the way yava kutiyana ngayo munhu ola munhu vava kuti mudiyelo nyumuraya literally amana dzibhotsi dzavava kumupa zanakasito atimari vava kuti mudiyelo muraya izvo ndinyokotira muthu muraya aiva kumuraikana aivomudiyeso namunhu andora but zvinopfa maharwa ne ndiyo neproblem yacho literally if rapfa harwa then there is to have no problem into your own problem ending is dindo umwana abatova namahalo ngangomu mini hayi problem kudova one problem endizindo and rathu mutoro tori kutsipotiyana mini ish nyuma flower bomb because of awona vapolisi ela utareka yani bread case asina mabona store just imagine nojwa universe nikojana universe nabo mangala nichikotobhera case nkomwana nichikotofariwa nichikojiwa maguni yachiwotuwa that's because of nanikolora zvimwe zvine hazvimake na sense umwana zvizoenda kuzviraiwa nezvisa make sense umwana so hazotobona zvokuti mara ela kuti weivona evoitiyangendira eyakuvava evomurayisa timana mara ndizvinei zvaita zita napetu zvazi petu kune hava crowded odheresewo vathu umwana and hava petu havona hava ngangomu tozvidiwa zviri hayi ritozvidiwa uri hayi vele if tsvavaona izvo zvithu hayi of course vekutori vaite mini vekutori varwe nkomwana ukutori zindo of course zindo azikuti waona just that vene mana utori masideo zvirudo boita nachori ndichini chichonita to that fight you will know komwana will know komwana mara ritodibona zvirudoita mini just that vone vanhu ngozvivona ngolwa so vone vanhu ndivona nezilaziya kuti zazikuti yoda kuti nivadotsira matadani avo vamwe vathu vavadarira avasali petu komwana avachiniriri petu veni hanikodiya ndiveni nendosara matadani nomwana and ndisara matadani emuna nitoimagina nichochena machimani makafalani and nichitoziva zuri nandodara chikuru udzodhikutera nomwana udzodhikutera ndava nichikochena matadani makafalani zvazvo vatu vatupa vadzikhanzilisazikarenga zvo zvitukutuku zvine zvazosanyaki nokuti mini muthu atova kunyotea zvinhu zvaso komwana apana zvimwe zvine hazvinyaki nataidzo komwana zvimwe zvine hazvinyaki taidzo mara vatu vatupa neudifasirori vajene matadani kazvitukutuku zvine zvaone nando yaisikuve yatodheya kuti urwuwi komwana mara vatu vapesera vachivorwa vachivodhiyana mazidevzori vatu taiziyavondiminingangazembura komwana yo and kutomo vana iwe ndiranyana koineiwotomo why people are starting to rob the tavern like literally the tavern is gotomo vazitaged if you can check there's been like I've seen about 2 videos people robbing tavern I don't understand why tavern is starting to become targets to the stacks like literally if you can check the stacks madvans gotomo target as tavern because tomo dabone yotomo havhala vhanwe vho thoma kha yo thoma havhala vho to dzhena live vha dzhena but literally havhalani vha vha songo targetha vhathu vha re nga ngomu vha vho targetha nga ngomu shoponi because ndo vhona hafhala vha khou zama u vula ḽi tshi khou hana like literally a khou zama u ḽi vula vhaṅwe vha ḓa navho zama u ḽi vula uri vha kone u dzhena nga ngomu magisi nga ngomu vha vha khou dzhena vho nyaga u dzhia mini vha khou nyaga u dzhia dzi tshelede so I just don't know because ndo fhedzisela ndo vhona vhaṅwe vha tshi khou ita vha tshi khou dzhia muthu vha mu fara ndo musumbedzisa nga I guess ngori vha vha khou nyaga u ita uri mini houḽa muthu a re nga ngomu a vule create ḽiani kone u dzhia tshelede so we don't know uri hu ḓo itea mini. Then na iṅwe ya second ya vhuvhili heiḽani zwino vha vha khou tou target vhathu vha re nga ngomu vha khou vha dzhiela dzi founu mini so I don't know uri why thugs maḓuvhano vho thoma u targetha dzi tavern like vha khou tou thoma u ḓo dzhena nga ngomu tavern vha dzhiela vhathu zwithu literally vha ḓo vha wana vha tshi khou tou dzhia like literally everything inside vha dzhiela noṱhe vheini ine na vha nga ngomu like literally vha vha khou tou dzhiela everything literally zwo zwithu zwone munna haveni if a tshi vho ni dzhiele vha u dzhena dzi tavern so vha ḓo tshi thoma u tshuwisa u ya dzi tavern haveni zwa tshuwisa no ya tavern u tshi ḓo zwi ḓivha uri hu nga ḓa vhathu vha thoma u ḓo ita vha thoma u ḓo dzhia zwithu just imagine u tavern wo ḓi dzulela u khou ḓi dzhiela dzi bia dzau wo ḓo dzula hayi u sharp mini na mini a hu na zwine zwi nga itea kanikani vhathu vha hayi vhathu khezwo vha vha khou thoma u ḓa vha khou dzhena vho fara zwigidi vha tshi ḓa vho fara zwigidi hayi vha khou ḓa vha khou dzhia zwithu zwoṱhe nga ngomu ri sa ḓivhi uri hu mini amount a pfhesesi mara zwi ḓo tou bva khou shuma mauthe a ḓo bva khou shuma thaidzo ya mauthe ndi mauthe a bva khou shuma ende a pfha ungari vale criminal ndi yone nḓila ande maṅwe a si nḓila vha tshi ya dzhele hangei vha dovha vha nyaga dzi beiḽi nahone vha tshi khou dina vhabebi mini thina mini aiwa mara muthu ene muṋe o tou ita mini o tou ita zwithu o nga ene muṋe o tou ita zwithu a tshi zwi ḓivha uri mini hune nda nga ya hone ndi wa vha mara a tshi tou ita zwithu midzamo yawe hu sa muthu o mu rumaho ndi futhi muthu o tou ya ene muṋe a tshi khou ita mini a tshi khou hatswa vha tshi mu fara u vho lila uri mini kana nahone a tshi khou fariwa a tshi khou thoma u ita zwiṅwe zwithu nda vhona video na iṅwe ya muthu nyana dzhena vhathu vha khou tou iḽa zwa vhukuma vha khou tou i dia zwa straight u ḓo zwi vhona hoyu munna u khou ḽiwa tshela vhanna vha vhana vha tambudziwa dzhele vhana ni ḓo guda vhathu a si tsha ntsiliwa aḽa munna vha khou muḽa vha khou muḽa vha khou muḽa uḽa vha khou muḽa a ri khou ḓo mu vhona straight vha khou ḓo mu dia hana tou pfhi mini like literally vho mulaza fhasi vha khou mu dia ndi vha uri munna vha ḓo mu dia straight life ne vhana vho bala vhana vho bala ndi ro tea zwiṅwe zwithu zwinzhi ave a ri ṱoḓi vhona mara ḓo itea mini vhathu vha vho ḓi ita ende vhathu vhane vha ita hezwiḽa zwithu vhathu vha vho ḓi ita ungari vha na maanḓa blind vhane vha ḽa dzi ndi vhathu vho ḓi ita ungari vha na maanḓa vhone ndi vhone hezwi vho no ya hangei nga ngomu hayi a vha si tshena uri vhone ndi vhone zwa zwino vha zwi si land zwa zwi si tshena vho si tshena ndavha vho no fhumulesa vha si tsha kona u ambesa vha si tshena maanḓa ndi uri vho sokou fhumuliwa total ahuna zwine nda nga ita vhanavha ḓo ni seisa vhanna vha ḓo ni seisa yes and do you see Sironto she was fighting as in does Venda Zupiri but Venda like literally every week there is always something to that we have to talk about it like literally uzona something chizo chinitso literally iveke ito zibeke zindwa pari phuzidzwa nga zindwa nyana iveke literally iveke ndiveke itonga ina zindwa nyana iveke yopera like literally yakuvela tshiṅwe zwindo zwiṱukuṱuku vhathu mabva video vhathu nyana kha inga murahu ha baki zwa that vha imisa ḽibaki ḽa i tshi imiselwa ḽibaki ḽa pfhi nyikana ri ḓo dzula ri a vha kakadzi no mutana a tsini wa muspoti nga hafha murahu every time u ḓo ḽa tshifhinga u ḓo vha khou sema vho mu farela speed houḽa mudzita bagwawula zvimwe votopedzisira vakotomukanya nabhaki vakoyomudhiye mavana then rap 3 ayo ndi ayo ukotomuta rendani gakale kudiya mwana wavanhu hai okay cool aya rikuzvipesisa renda rinodiya mwana wavanhu sirento apa nongapo udiya vana uri vamufaraidza oidhila kuti evediyasapo vediyasela kuti arakatiri ayo ndiyayo univhen vakayopo vati vakubukuta and havana imwe iye univhen nayo yaikuita like literally yesikuita avation hapani yakuti I think Southside campus vosivhila video yaikojiwa yakomana yatoti maizotodza so zvasotangana kana ndizikuru kana ndimimba handini vhenepepima nasizazozvauzikutiana like last week yasitavavegenda yaisitavapozizvanyana so then because everything chiyachikuita hachichinechina zimba ndicho chiva chichachikuita vedhapla chachina zimba angomazvinazvozvikuita zvinozikutodana I guess namisangwe gesi yakuita mara musango nakurora zvipeu vatu vachanza vatu like literally those guys vagenerate style komana ugodyo kuti uklipinyana kagwala mkuta na ngwazi uklipinyana kuti kwagwala mkuta na ngwazi kone kune kutori kuti trend one kala mkuta chikudi ya ngwazi like literally vatu vachanza vatu vagenerate style vafunga na reviews publishiswa why usina video ndafinira kona ya full fight komana vachikunyongoto kimseulo clip kune only kana kuti ndene akotora punch kangwazi why uchikugwimisela video piece why usina video ndafinira to varikuibona kala nguta na ngwazi vachikuro yote why uchikugwimisela clip kula kuti kukulingola kuti akoti ya ngwazi piece and kokula piece ndondikona kuno kupushiwa hotori kuwe clip kune ngwazi vakugitini ngumana aone zvinozigopushiwa ngandani yayo ile clip piece why vachikupusha izvo piece literally vatu vachanza vafunga razvibonzi nezvikonyo kuitiwa pala hapiri kutozvibonzi uri literally tinovakonzvita ndouri like literally hatifise zvoronyo hwepushisa hani ona mara literally ngandirendendri kuzvibona ngani they want to remain dhimane weainongongaritani odiya ungwazi nikungona ngandirende yakupushiwa ngayo zvazvo ona so zviva zvine zvavafera kumwana lisileka ndekamutonga mwazene ndikare akamusango kumwana zvisifeda usi but I guess torari ngobona zivideo nje umusango wa this time angobesana zivideo nje most of bonga ungari wowe entertainment nyana so kumwana owachima ndi establishing nyana so most of anongobonesa vatu vanji vachikuulo mini but even though vana vatu vanji vevalwa mara avangotobesana vatu vanji vevalwa vera vavona ukeo vakulu umwana mara vone yavo vahone musango vodiyana vone rutizvibona ruya vele vakudiyana umwana mara hai zviswere hai nazvo zvindiraro expect hazvo zvinjiri rakutotokamba hai dodi baba dova mara ngandirine kupublishwa ngayo zvozimbezori vakupusha nini kumwana this agenda nevakuipusha than kupusha urini otiwani kumwana literally ngadira nezvikutoonera nga zvitobhoita zvitobani zvitoona una agenda nekupushiwa pala kumwana una agenda nekupushiwa netorivona why usina urumani vasi vakusimedza achikutodiyana potevonera urikuzivona vatu vavobodiyana valiterally kutozvikonzora hapana ungari una agenda nekupushiwa nerikuivona rumini this agenda yekupushiwa kumwana especially avasimedzi video zvadzo zoperera video toperera rivona rihavera tivana vakura naye kumwana naye udhilwela mara waye uchitopushenila video pesi wa vava vachitorizva ubarine sazvitumwana and still kadhiyamwazimba did you see the UFC 312 or 313 I think it's 313 where Alex Pereira was defending his title against the female Magmed Alvarez mara ndobona mtu the president of UFC Dana White she wasn't really convinced about the scorecards or pesero ukuwina Magmed Al-Kavan kumwana he was not impressed but you know lakubona ndizoribili those niggas from Dagestan are literally ruling UFC. Those niggas from Dagestan are literally ruling UFC because of first it was Khabib, then second it was Islam, Then literally now is the guy literally Magmand and Kavan when they now who generated only one title. Literally three of them they are literally now on a title. One. And Fini, Olan Kabibi, he fought 29 fights with zero loss, zero draw. Then who else? The guy who Islam, he has lost only one. I think it's fought 23 fights. Then the other one, I think is fought 27 fights. He has one draw and one loss. This is my what about push around. About the end, what this is like when walk with Rula. I guess I don't know why the narrative was not impressed with the scorecard. I guess ngolilo fight kwambo zolmini. The fight for your best I mean awungobesana zifight awungobesana mina zifist zabantu bachikudiyana awungobesana mina nazi take down khona. So I guess this was I'm told maybe I'll pay that area. I guess he was expecting more from those guys. But literally this fight is on I was ngandiri expect for maybe vatodiyana ngayo nguvana. That is why maybe tango vachikwamba zviva so. Because I heard ichikwamba there was no takedowns. There was aungobesana mini aungobesana udiyana was a contest for the challenge mini yafight. Mara literally kwamba wall. Mara literally he did not expect, especially because of it was a main event one. Because of it was a main event, he was expecting Udovana's fighting, Udovana's take over, but Diana is another in. But let's just this I should go out and it was over Mudiana, and that's what Diana. Fezeraba kuvakazo vasasa totiyanisa Amanda. But una umwe alifera umudiya una umwe he almost got hurt mbonye kumudiya na just that authorable when chipinga chachopera pala no because if it wasn't for chipinga chachopera they were gonna beat him like too much authorable ngori chipinga chachopera then abokoyiwa fumi abokoyiwa temba abokoyiwa for I guess you for I guess it was second round or third round one. Yeah, but just that I guess it's being old now. Umari is 36 right now. Yeah, I feel like he's 36. So I guess yeah, he's too old. And he's getting old, but he's still doing the things because of and I don't know this how to find that he's fighting in a short period of speed because of what the general team and alcohol and tank. And I literally would raise a demand. One. But I guess they will still want the belt because of Gerani Beltland. Because of they didn't take the belt from Arisania because of Arisania beat him. Because of he took the belt from Arisania and I guess he then again Mudia. Both of World be Arisania Mudia, Akudio Arisania could deal with them. Brother of Mudia. So I don't know how to do I mean, management. It's common. We don't do news. So originally, the net bank up was there, was playing, but I just dropped another team. But I guess they deserved it. Chiefs dropped Stellan Boys to go and face my Mamelodi Sundowns and they will be eliminated. Yeah, they will learn the lesson there. Yeah, actually, Chiefs dropped Stellenbosch to go face. It's still like I feel like there's no supposed to talk about blame because of because they just robbed Stellenbosch and now they're facing Mamelodi Sundowns. I guess they will just be, oh my god, oh my god. Did we just have to fight all the way to do? And but just if you're Amaraya, have fun. And the next time my parents will still have unfinished business with Morimo Gallants. Yeah, Ratoto one is out kind of bank, Ratoto I will have unfinished business with it. As was straight on, what do you want to know you you still have unfinished business with Murumo Currents. Because that chiefs robs to Stellenbosch to go face Mamelodi Sundown. Ngungon. And the Orlando Pirates will have unfinished business with Murumo Currents. Ngungon. Yeah. And then I go to the top of the I mean, but I've been in Stellenbosch plan which rob. Like literally there, which rob. What was going on there? What was the referee doing? Were they checking the goal? And many people are saying it was an offside. No, it was not an offside. That is an foul. The foul is also the first job of a referee is to protect a goalkeeper. The goalkeeper was not protected. That is why the referee did what did a flag with me. Hey, and I'm talking about the offside. As offside, no. I'm not to go to referee would have protected the goalkeeper. That is why goalkeeper or achieve avoid them or change a direction. Actually, I went direction is because of there was a foul before the goal was scored. And the first rule protect the goalkeeper. This is right there. And the goalkeeper was not protected by the referee. That is what we lost. I don't know what to tell me. I guess the referee wanna pressure. No one you wanna pressure. But this is where I don't know. I guess that referee man and one referee decision in language ngantula nganga line man. Line man even though we stuff like referee alone go your decision you person. One. But literally they will learn their lesson in the chess. As people are robber, then they'll go and face my stand down because of obviously my stand down. Just that's the coconut in national. Hey, they went him. My guess was the issue much wrong with them. Stand down. Basingobe stand down. Some people to win. If they say my will is case at chiefs, you go to your case at chiefs. But the issue, I be a papa. You go to move an ammo winning a man that is a chiefs. Case the chiefs nowadays go to move an ammo winning a man. Go to my best. I don't go to move power win and yana. Yeah, that's not. Because the chiefs go to move an ammo winning a man. Go to move power win and yana. We do rather yana. So, oh, the Pungaria. Now, this cookie. Oh, the Pungaria. Now, this cooking is cooking what now? If he's cooking, win a cup. Win a cup. Yeah. But the issue. How the issue was so good. So that's like, hey, that's like, very young stand down today. Hey, do the stairs down. Hey, very young stand down. Do the stairs. And you see, I just said it down. But the young stand down your bird, no way, I'm a couple. I've been watching the news with Ned Gamma because of obviously, I said, yeah, league. You got all the league. Tell me, though we are qualified as top ranking as well. Although the rabble, we make a top 80. It's very, and then, Rito Rabbi, somebody general to beat by result of their very win a game. Choose your trouble, choose. You always choose you win a game in time, but it's really light. It was covered by a to be car number 8, couples in 8. I go win and they go tell us. I will say, I don't like us. Yeah, the tumblers, I choose the tumblers. That was on the time. Zvichinenge ndinogamba ngachindisvichinine ndechimwarapasi. No, and actually I was still talking about football. Man United last night disappointed me. Man United disappointed me. As a Man United fan, I got disappointed by Man United. I thought Man United was gonna win. When one goal clear, bro, like one goal yavudi. One, I literally will blow that one goal. Representation will draw. I don't know what went wrong with Man United, bro. Like, actually, we don't know who Rukonya Kuchara and Ned, they are rebuilding the team. And let him, but I guess they let him. Problem is, I could ring a button. I could ring a Magabrero. The team younger super sport also in South Africa. It's like super sport every time. They stole the best players. Stellenbosch, they stole their best players. Come on, just imagine Stellenbosch, you have each and every runners. Bojude Alba Adams. Sesitangachireka Pirates nganke. No one. Let's play Inji. His name he was to waste that. Can somebody was on TikTok said. No one. But Stellenbosch, you got him out of but you can start. I really Sundown go to the Magadam. But Stellenbosch, now passport. Na Rowan Williams, see what this passport. Ubrim Tiba. Ngapha Maswanganyi ngoba batambe wethi baba kasi passport one. But I guess because the developer abatambi one. But Man United nayo ayobhala haina vatambi hata timu dzibhora kurenga vatambi dzibhora kuita dzicharedza vatambi dzine dzatoziva kuti if they are buying them they will be able to sell match ngavo zvinonga zvikipa zvezvini vanokunoita chelede ngavo umwana. That's why mera vachikorenga vatambi ngavo Cristiano Ronaldo vazoziva kuti if we are buying Cristiano Ronaldo so ne ritokona kuwana dzinto. All still the problem was not Cristiano Ronaldo United. Problem was the coach. Umwana. Mara kezvo avo vanhu zviri kuita nini umwana. Timu ikunambe kumwana man. I guess it's the management no good of team way. Zvidinga ka Chiefs na what team yako because of the management is kunyongorenga chipatani umwana. And the last time we developed management naye uri ipezwe chivaone ive kapusini yava. That's when we won in Albania 2 years. Hey, that fucked up the team. Come on. And the Tambani got and when they have performers of them as more way performers of the technical. As more way I don't see a car careful. When you were a careful. A visitor was like a fan was permanent. And it is where the wood and have chips. You're the bias. Yet with the others are an edge is 10. I just said, if you need a go to Lord and for my little task of yeah. So yeah, train out to a very train out. I don't really chance. That's why I leave a train out. And they switch to. But people don't understand something. I saw people always say Ribeiro must be taken by the Brazil squad. Who are the Brazil squad? Girani team. Brazilian like literally people think like Ribeiro will be called up by national team of Brazil. You think Ribeiro will be called up by a Brazil national team? Who do you think Ribeiro, if he's called up by Brazil, who I was trying to know Brazil? Eh? Like just tell the top class. But Fokubona, I would try because defenders are really national performance. But for Ribeiro must be called. It's just that people don't understand football. Like people think like it was really simple. They think like Ribeiro should be called out to Brazil. If Ribeiro is called out by Brazil, who would you game? Who would you Vinicius Junior? Eh? Who would you Gabriel Jesus? Eh? Like literally, who would you eh? Let's check about Anthony Baba Hall, who would you run any baby? Check about Anthony Baba Hall, who would you run? Living your Tangala Leon, you can't communicate is no to a local. The car Betis can come in. Who would you run this game if Ribeiro who is Brazil? Who would you run this game? I wouldn't turn them just game. What I guess got to a pinch. Oh man, I'm a severe. I won't know that to it. Ribeiro. I won't know that to it. Just imagine if Ribeiro is called up by Brazil, Chipimu Vinicius Junior, Chifi Rodri, Gabriel Jesus, just imagine. Living your tongue, kill a cat in a liar, white in a lady and watch Kawal Kapudium will cast good, which in our name about the video. Master class pairs in Jim. I say, no, Jen, I say, Jen. That's the no cool movies on us. With you. Nimtrene, what to one a team for Africa time play or maybe tongue of an MG. I never found a fan of negotiators. I'm J. Timon saying, no, not time to fan. Homework. Yeah. Timana would do it in the room for a striker with the popular pan. Homework. I've been in just to stand up at the apple. Homework. Edapala napa. Homework. Edapala napa. Go to Jinsa Vilvara room, cooking Rajian, Stanga, Jedin, and them swear. I give a time for whoever rested and again that we sayan, Edapala napa. The Nofana Fenagiti, never to me. Homework. As I say, I touch it 12 years to believe in the vision. I was not to square. udosvika tambaita mini utovakotiya mini utodyira nechikimi anotonatokudyiwa chikimi asi kuna wodyiwa paya anotonatokudyiwa chikimi namuti yo bro and hemon. Did you see the show? One man show MT. Yeah, literally, yeah, he filled up. I guess next time when MT do another one man show, he has to do it in a bigger venue. One, but Paradona can okay. Never. Maraone, yeah, he was filled up. It was a student show. Also, so the love of Kusumbizana, but the artist. It was also a reunion of ATM. They went and performed ngoma zvinenge like it yaneva a successful show kurania with the blind the artists all that we need to see they were there where it were there I guess that it was a good show one I guess it was a good show so I thought on the team literally never show ya wood never show kurani one the very show kurani yeah and the roti bonuri and you were successful one Amarone was successful show so bro Eris Naingori is doing a one-man show birthday celebration. No, Eris is not a one-man show, it's a birthday celebration. One. It's a birthday celebration. So I guess it was a big show. Whatever show do a show now. There are the look you want to get or a minute me. One. Yes, the ones who did the time on the high. Show. Or the show Krania. I guess it was a night the Dua event. Just that he's doing it at on propaganda. Yeah, I guess it was the creator and I guess the were shooting at the Wura. I guess they were successful. And another thing, Fikli and Malula. Do you see what is happening to Fikli and Malula? So this one is open as well. So Fikli and Malula is accused of politically maneuvering in a bid for the ANC presidential race. The Secretary General of the African National Congress is facing allegation of using his position to undermine politicians of opposition in preparation for a potential run for the ANC presidency in 2027. So I don't know which companies to talk about those. I guess they are saying he's using the power that he have now to manipulate other opponents, maybe to take them out of their positions, out of their seats. That is why they are using. I guess it's the one who is. I guess it's trying to be the president of the ANC. But you can't even. You can't even figure out whether the president of the South Africa like no. No. We can't even figure out unless they're president of South Africa. We can't even. We want another person. We can't even figure out unless the president of South Africa. That's it. Like little people can't. We need another person. It's just too much that one. We need another person. Else we just have to give a woman like a chance, like then we have a president who that is a woman rather than a man. Is that issue? It's like that we just have to ANC just have to move from those things. And that's when you vote again. ANC thought the two were calling. That's the way maybe the total problem is even a large big is way again into and none of the trouble again into it if Muzemini the vote was eyes near Banat. It's not as goes there, but you can't have Kilemba as the president of ANC. Even though I'm not a ANC fan, but we can't have him as the president of ANC. Come on, you can't. You can't have Kilemba as the president of ANC. Like literally now. Even though I'm not an ANC supporter, I'm an EFN, but we can't even fake Lebanon as the president. Just imagine if he's the president of South Africa, like, nah, bro, like, nah. We need another person, bro, like, when you come to today, he's humble. Oh, my. Also, when you come to whatever, we need a person who is humble. Come on. I'm trying to humble, blind. Other than Fikile Balloon, no, Rungisa. So, who you Rungisa? I swear at time, that's your president. I don't know if I'm going to do that. Other than Nolan. Kongwana. Volani story question. So what I just and some other thing because of those producing. So the city of Johannesburg, you raised a statement about the how do you call about the hostel. So they are saying they need at least 10 million to rebuild or redevelop the hostel as accessory Johannesburg. I don't know where they will get that 10 million from. Just imagine if they say they need 10 million. What about if they are saying they need 10 million to rebuild the if they are saying they need 10 million to rebuild the hostels in the city of Johannesburg, what about all those IG buildings in April? How much would they need? Just imagine. How much would they need? Billions and billions and trillions. We will they say they need to be line. Well, I guess they have to do it a building by building. Then they take another first building. Then they by it or even a security. Ditch my team. Then we remove. But then profit me at the work with you. Maybe you will rent and I mean, by work do work on this to a new building. Ganting. So when I was going to build. Then there's buildings that was going to build. I was community. Come on. Because ofisina security dzatsvaiti haunori vatu vasokodzera nevasikuita zvinavafuna murata zviitwa mini zelifti dzochinya dzafixiwa mini umwana vatota zvisokochimbira umwana apene zibuilding nje zinofa and zibuildings dzedzadzidza kuti because of they're not being maintained as maintaining common. So those are the way they turn bad. I don't know what will happen to them, but really, we just have to see what they do. But I guess, yeah, they just have to do what they did. Because even we are seeing even that guy, what is this name? We was used to do since October. I guess they are trying by all their means to work with even the government, with the mayors, with the city of what. Yes, they are trying. But this I'm boring about why if they are doing those things to catch drugs leaders, why own as camera? One. This does really good certain way. If they want to catch the drug dealers, man, why there's always cameras? Why? Come on. I don't. This is less political leaders. This is what was told to them. Come on. I saw what on these cameras I need there. Come on. I guess some of them was told me we're going to benefit from it. Then we're going to want to mention then we're going to if I work on a city land, then we're going to but we're going to shoot then we're going to meet we're going to delay again. One. So I don't know maybe what they tell me. One. I guess all of that I will show you an idea in as many that is the right to one. I don't want to show you any dogari, but I guess not night to show you on one. So, but we have to see who the dogari. And another thing, I'm seeing that guy must choose carrying like a stake of a man, like showing it off. People don't understand some other things about the music business. One, as most of the jury, as was what is not Johnny Smith or Shaka. One, not everything, but really is one and just you. I'm shooting this and this and this and this and this. One. Some other things to talk and you keep quiet. Actually, we know you have money. So keep quiet with your money. Just shut up with your money. So this one's really in Nigeria, man. So to who support and then go flex and me nah. I saw the narco store the bra. I go to store the bra. Literally like chillax, relax and because one's really in Nigeria. No one was going to Nigeria. I guess my point is about we can see that we are making money now. Na read and get numbers only. No one that is in the master and Mukimata. So much of the church at the method is a why. Bro, do your own thing, Miss Best. Miss Best is a woman rather than to show us man. This was in go pattern. They are no pattern there. Rather than so to know for us take church. Is that church meaning? I don't know, was one thing just now charity. No one. Because we have to show up, no matter rather than uṱwa ni khou sumbedza vhathu matshelede manzhi a sumbedze zwithu zwa vhukuma zwine zwi a pfhala rather than dzi tshelede idzo dzine na khou nyanga u sumbedza vhathu zwone. Ni khou vhona a dzi tshelede dzine na khou nyanga u sumbedza dzone na we don't condone it. And the other thing tshithu tshine nda sa realize Tony Diamond is bigger than Usman Man. He's bigger than him. If you can check all zwithu zwinzhi, he's bigger than him nga zwithu zwinzhi. That's that Usman Man has a has a backup of a record label. But if you can check recently, Tony Diamond is bigger than Usman Man. You can check the monthly listeners on Spotify, subscribers on YouTube. So zwinzhi ngana says Diamond is bigger than Usman Man. Just that Usman Man has the backup of an entertainment of a record label. One. But literally the boy is bigger than Usman Man. One. And I guess Usman Man is the one who put Tony Diamond, but literally the talent is showing that Tony Diamond is bigger than Usman Man by numbers. Those of numbers don't lie. Numbers are saying Usman Man is younger than Tony Diamond. One. Literally you push up blind man. You push up blind. So that's a there's a room up with him. You know, Maba Muganera, Opera Mugan on the Otto is a waiter. Room officer of bigger than Mugaindi. I don't know to Mopira or not to if you can check. And then as one of the some two mom. And I don't know what to do the chain. Mana, and then there was one guy Mopira to line. Otto Mopira cool. Come on. Mopira cool sa. One. And but there's a little point I mean. So I guess the one those with you know the I mean is dances with your ninja and as I just said to go my phone is in the record issue with them and that when you resume before it and that's a topic to record. I guess I'll come back and record that and it is once I want it to become an hour. So I guess the don't wait for the another maybe for another 8 minutes this person but the recording I guess I don't know